This is the Creator X Body Pack and Creator Messenger. These bags have the similar designs but different size. This is 6.5 liters space inside, and this is 11 liters space. These bags is made for creators who want fast, organized access to the gear, whether commuting, working on set, or content on the go. Beside the size differences, there are also some other design features that is different. For the X Body Pack, can also be weared easy as a waist pack. It is initially buckle, can easily be hanged on your waist. And for the bigger messenger bag, do we have an additional feature, so it can be placed on the trolley handle for your travels. The X Body Pack doesn't have that feature. Instead, it has a feature to put up to a 14-inch laptop. You can extend the bag in the bottom, and with this put the laptop inside. Perfect for when you need to bring your laptop but only want to have a smaller bag with. And now I'm going to show the features on the bags that is more or less the same but in different size. I start with the top main compartment, zip pocket, which opens outward. This is also to avoid things falling out on the bag, and also for extra safety. We have a zip pocket here in the flap, and this can also be used as an extra workspace when putting on filters, etc. Inside the bag we have these dividers that we can move around after our needs to protect our tech and organize. And we also have a big slip-in pocket on the back. We have two elastic pockets on the sides for water bottles, small tripods, maybe to bring your coffee. We have a large zip pocket at the front. Some small webbing loops to attach smaller climbing hooks or hang some things that is needed during the day. We also have a laptop compartment with space for a 14-inch laptop. And a big additional pocket with Velcro closure. This is also the pocket that you can open here in the bottom to be able to put this messenger bag onto the handle of your luggage or trolley. The durable polyester material is water resistant. We have a padded handle on the top to easily grab the bag and carry the bag. We have an additional padding on the top for good comfort. And the bag is easy to adjust. Also the bottom here is flat, so the bag stands sturdy when you put it down. We also here have the water-resistant zippers for the main compartment, laptop compartment on the back, and the zip compartment on the front. We also use the bigger zip puller loops to easy grab, also with your gloves on in wintertime. The Creator messenger bag and X body pack is also well padded all the way around, from bottom to top and in the sides, to protect all the tech gear and camera. And now I'm going to put on the smaller X body pack. And now I have pre-packed the bags to give an example of what you can fit inside. I will now unpack them and start with the X body pack.